start.
It's on?
Let's start.
Okay, good.
Oh, thank you. Look.
Aww. There's Nabby's mommy and daddy. Woo, look at there. Here we go, guys. That's Natalie's mommy and daddy. That's not John and Cheryl anymore. No. That's Natalie's mommy and daddy. So good. So awesome. Yes. August 5th at Elephant Butte, New Mexico. There's a volcano we just came from. They walked around the base there. Said it took forever. Awesome. They said this water is created by the Colorado Rocky snow melt, and also the, oh Lord, what's the river called? Famous river here. No. Rio Grande. That's what I'm trying to think of. The Rio Grande is what created this lake. So cool the way people just go anywhere around it and park or camp or tent camp or RV. And they got a really nice marina. There we are. They're the Sadler family. So cute. Oh, look at Natalie. She's driving. Natalie. You're driving. You're driving. Oh, that's so cute. She really is waking up and looking like she's driving. Alright. There's another boat. Look at her. She likes the boat days.
I think so.
She likes it.
She likes that wind.
Yeah.
Funny, before in Florida, it was you, Don, and me.
Yeah.
When I was pregnant.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, me, you, and John, and little Natalie. Natalie is 2 months old today. Yay, Natalie! You survived. You survived all of us. Yes, that's right. That's right. She's a good survivor. She was only 4 pounds, 15 ounces when